Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to safely jack up your Toyota 86. Before you begin, gather your essential tools: a sturdy floor jack, at least 2 robust jack stands, and wheel chocks. Safety is paramount, so always work on a flat, stable, and clear surface. Never rely solely on your jack to support the vehicle. Jack stands are crucial for your protection and stability during any undercar work. To lift the front of your Toyota 86, locate the central jacking point on the front crossmember. This is often indicated by a small arrow on the plastic under tray. Position your floor jack, ideally with a protective rubber pad to prevent any damage, directly under this designated point. Carefully pump the jack handle, smoothly raising the vehicle until it reaches the necessary height for your intended work. Once the front of your car is lifted, it's time to secure it. Position your jack stands under the reinforced pinch welds located just behind the front wheels. These specific points are designed to safely support the car's weight. Ensure each jack stand is securely seated and completely stable before slowly lowering the vehicle onto them. Always double-check their stability before proceeding with any work. For lifting the rear of your Toyota 86, the differential serves as the primary central jacking point. Carefully lift the car from this point, then place your remaining jack stands under the reinforced pinch welds near the rear wheels. Once all 4 stands are firmly in place, give the car a gentle shake to confirm it's completely stable and secure. Now you're ready to work safely underneath your Toyota 86.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.